This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Skaff-Gregg. Townhouse at its finest. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac sits this well-maintained home. There are 2 bedrooms on the main, both with walk-in closets. Bright and cherry living room with new laminate flooring, sliding doors to deck, fireplace and built-in with wet bar. Spacious, remodeled eat-in kitchen with lots of counter space which includes a breakfast bar. Remodeled bathrooms in 2018. Basement has a finished family room, large bedroom, bath, workshop and tons of storage. New high-F furnace with humidifier and central air 2020, new windows on the main 3 years ago. Main floor laundry. Exterior painted 2020, new shingles 2016, new garage door opener 2015, new front door, water heater new 2016, 150 amp breaker panel, storage shed. For more information